The good news about Jesus has come to Luke chapter 18 from verse 31 to verse 34. Jesus a go dead. Jesus taking 12 followers them one side and tell them, say, now go up to Jerusalem, and everything the prophet them write down about the man where God pick, I go happen. The more take him give people who are not Jew. The more laugh off him and take him make pricky, shame him and pit pan him. The more beat him wicked, and kill him. But 3 days after them kill him, he might come back alive. Jesus follower them never get none of what him say. The meaning did hide from them, so they couldn't understand what him did talk about. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God